Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Wait, I will go one to one. Maka right hand किती हाते दिसोना, right left hand किती हाते दिसोना, फाटल्यान किती. We have to go one to one. It is both the national party, Congress and BJP. That's it. I'm in touch with the Congress leaders. तुमकां सगळें कोण येतले म्हाका 2 हप्ते दिया आनी 2 आठवडे दिया 2 आठवड्याचे आख्खे पिक्चर तुमकां गोमन येतले I was in Delhi. I was almost 3 weeks in Delhi. I had given my independent report to the Congress High Command.
युती नाकाच कोणी युती करता म्हणटा असल्यार खंय ताणें पक्ष काँग्रेसीत मर्ज करचो.
Of course there are a lot of changes, but I'm telling you again, there is no alliance. I'm not in favor of alliance, and I had clearly given an indication. We should, if any political parties are talking about alliance, let them merge their party.
काँग्रेसीत येतना खंय 3000 तरणाट्यांक बरोबर घेवनूच येतलो.
I will revive back again Congress in Benawali, in Kortali. I will use my all resources. I need 2 months maximum, 2 to 3 months to revamp completely Congress. When you mark my word, when I join Congress, I will see that 3,000 youth I will bring together and I will join.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.